This is a clamp. Yeah, it's not the Cross of Lorraine. It's a clamp. And what happens is that the boxes, over a period of time, you can just show that, separate off. Yeah. So to close that gap up, it's just so simple. That on there, and you just squeeze down, and that's it. Now, all we do now is we put a screw in there, and then that holds that absolutely in place. So we've done that. Put the screw in. I'll put that a little bit higher. All you need to do. Don't complicate matters. If I think of a new way of doing it, do it like this, and it's right each time, every time. One last little tip. These screws are from Spax. I call them lost heads. They call them something else. I don't care what they call them. That's what I call them, a lost head. Because in the olden days, that would be a lost head nail. But that holds that perfectly firm. When the screw goes in, it goes into there, and as this bit here bites into there, the gap there allows the wood to come together, so you get a very tight joint. And so ends this sermon.